Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let's discuss. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto and everything else that is happening in the crypto space. You guys are welcome. So, guys, let's dive into the market. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is still holding strong, trading sideways. So, which is good. But guess what? You know, Ethereum, Ethereum keeps skyrocketing. So despite the, despite the Bitcoin trading sideways, but Ethereum keeps skyrocketing. But just as SRP as well, SRP holding strong. So most of the other altcoins are holding strong. So just like as I was saying yesterday, don't be surprised. Strategy will be announcing a new buy today, just like Michael Saylor. But guess what? Boom. MicroStrategy just added another Bitcoin to their portfolio. Let me refresh the CMC. So MicroStrategy just added 6,220 Bitcoin to their portfolio. So which is huge. So more Bitcoin, they keep buying and buying and buying. Strategy keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So not just strategy adding more Bitcoin to their portfolio. Guess what? So I keep showing you guys most of those data every single day for you guys to understand what is happening in the crypto space. So Bitcoin Treasuries Company, as of today, now hold over $100 billion in Bitcoin. So which is huge as well. So guys, let me bring out the at least the 3 hours chart. So as you guys can see. So not just that Bitcoin Treasury Company, they are now holding more than $100 billion in Bitcoin. But guess what? The SEC chair, the new SEC chair, so the new SEC chair, which is Atikins says that Paul Atikin, he said that Bitcoin is so encouraging that Bitcoin, public companies, now adopting Bitcoin and crypto as a treasury reserve. So he also said that Ethereum is not a security. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh, yeah. So let's discuss Bitcoin, let's discuss crypto. So let me bring out the chart here. So the 4 hours chart, the daily. Boom. So guys, we'll be diving into the market sector. For article, he said that so it's so encouraging to see that Bitcoin, more public company now adopting Bitcoin, which is amazing at this adopting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So a lot of good things keep happening in the crypto space, which we'll be looking into just now. So we show that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. BBV, which is a Spain bank, so now offering a trading uh, so trading Bitcoin and crypto trading to retail clients, so which is huge as well. And Ethereum is now racking the 28, one of the largest, the 28 asset market value as with about $460 billion, just surpass Vanguard, so which is huge as well. So which we'll be looking into that. We'll be looking into that now. Ethereum, Solana as well. Solana just surpassed $100 billion in market cap, so which is huge as well. So guys, so let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the crypto space. So first, I want you guys to see this. You know, the tariff war keep going on around the world. The US play hardable say on tariff deadlines as a US EU battles for a deal. So EU, they are working so hard to make sure that they have a deal with the United States. But as you guys can see, the tariff war is still going on around every part of the world. I keep showing you guys those data to know that, so there's no tariff in Bitcoin, but there is tariff in there's tariff in, they keep imposing a tariff every part of the world, but there's no tariff in Bitcoin. So no matter how they try to impose tariff, but they can't add more They can't add tariff in Bitcoin. There's no tariff in Bitcoin. So, which is simple. So, which will be taking us here. Yesterday, my source predicted that, Sailor will be buying Bitcoin today. That is because each time Michael Sailor posted the, MicroStrategy tracker, they usually buy Bitcoin the next day. You guys can see it's getting crazy, man. That Solana is almost back up to $200. So it's trending between $195, as you guys can see. SRP as well, so which I will be adding into the screen. As you guys can see, most of the altcoins are booming, So the market is looking bullish. So Ethereum still trading sideways, consolidating, but most of the altcoins they're looking bullish. So, guys, Strategy has acquired 6,220 Bitcoin. So, as I was saying yesterday, how much did they spend? They spent about $739.8 million to buy more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, despite Bitcoin is trading between almost all-time high, but Strategy are not sleeping. They keep buying and buying and buying. MicroStrategy keep adding more Bitcoin to their portfolio every single week, every single month. Not just MicroStrategy, which are buying. I showed you guys yesterday that, MicroStrategy, their stock keeps skyrocketing because they have been using DCA, dollar cost average, over the past few months, which is why their stock have been skyrocketing as well. Over the past few years, since 2020, MicroStrategy start DCA. But now they've been buying, 1,000 Bitcoin, 2,000 Bitcoin, 3,000 Bitcoin. As you guys can see, a day like today, they added the 6,220 Bitcoin. So as of today, MicroStrategy are now holding a 607,770 Bitcoin. So we they spend, which is now worth about more than 70 something billion in Bitcoin. So which is huge. So which will be taking us here, not just MicroStrategy which are buying, but more companies buying. So which, as you guys can see here, so this is Trump's media just added another, as you guys can see, 2 billion worth of Bitcoin. So, and they said they will be buying more Bitcoin and other related Bitcoin assets as well. So Trump media just buy more Bitcoin, added the $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. That is worth of about almost about 20,000 Bitcoin, which is why I keep telling you guys every single day. When the Wall Street they are buying, they use OTC. That is because they don't even want the price to go up, which is why I think once the OTC market dry up, Bitcoin will skyrocket like never before. So, guys, we are still early in the crypto space. The Wall Street keep buying every single day. As you guys can see, just Trump media added $2 billion worth of Bitcoin once again, and other related crypto assets as well. So, which is huge. Which is huge. So don't sleep on Bitcoin, don't sleep on crypto. I keep telling you guys, the Wall Street are not sleeping. They keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. So which is why using DCA is one of the way to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto, which many of you guys already know that. So Trump Media just added another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Not just that, you guys need to see this. This is, as you guys can see here, BBV Bank from Spain, as you guys can see, now offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading to all retail clients in Spain. you know, so don't forget, a few years ago, banks will be telling you that Bitcoin and crypto are scam. But today, guess what? Banks now embrace Bitcoin. So, which is why you need to know that so we are still early in the crypto space. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. And guess what? I will be showing you guys shortly when the searcher per article, he said that, so it's so encouraging to see that the Wall Street now adopting Bitcoin. So not like the former SEC chair, which is Gary Gensler, not like Gary Gensler, which was manipulating the this platform, manipulating the crypto space. So he said that he's protecting investors, which we all know that he was not protecting the investors. To me, I would think that he was protecting his pockets, so his portfolio as well. So guys, more banks are adopting Bitcoin, as you guys can see. So BBV Bank now offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. So for retail clients, so which is huge as well. So which was why I'll be showing you guys this from France as well. So Pombrix trading sequence just buy another 1,264 Bitcoin for $150 million. You know, so I keep showing you guys more companies adopting Bitcoin, more more buyers every single day, which is why I, as you guys can see here, Bitcoin Treasuries Company, as you guys can see. So I'm sure you guys, I hope you guys can see this, that a Bitcoin Treasuries companies over more than they are now holding about $100 billion. So Bitcoin treasuries companies are now holding more than $100 billion in Bitcoin. This is just like about this is about 4% of Bitcoin total supply that will ever be in existence. About 4% of Bitcoin total supply that will ever be in existence. So Bitcoin treasury company are now holding over $100 billion in Bitcoin, which, as you guys can see it here, is about more than 4% of Bitcoin supply. Bitcoin is 21 million. So just Bitcoin treasury companies, they are now holding more than 4% that will ever be in existence. Yeah, guys, you're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. So, smash the like, share this room with your friends and family. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So, I just want you guys all to know that, for sure, we are still early in the crypto space. More adoption, more people keep embracing Bitcoin. As you guys can see, I keep showing you guys those headlines, those data for you guys to know that, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Yeah, we will always have up and down. Volatility is sure. So if the market is not volatile, why will there be opportunity? There will be opportunity if the market is not volatile. The crypto market is always volatile, but as I always say, stick to your strategy. So stick to your strategy and hold for a long term. It's one of the ways in order for you to accumulate wealth. So, which is why even if I saw it about a few hours ago, which is Robert Kiyosaki is predicting that the market will be down. A big crash is coming, a big bubble is coming, which we'll be looking into that as well. I have the headline here. He said a big bubble is coming. Gold is going to crash, silver is going to crash, and a Bitcoin and other crypto assets will going to crash as well. So guess what he said? He said he will be buying. So he said he will be buying more Bitcoin once the market crash. So what I always say is that create a plan and stick to your plan. For years, for sure, you will always be in profit. So once you create your plan and stick to your plan, for sure, you will all make money in the crypto space. I was telling you guys that when I buy Solana, 2022, when Solana dipped down to dip below $10. So I pick up a lot of Solana. So Solana all-time high when Solana just hit a market cap of about $100 billion. So when Solana market cap hit $100 billion last cycle, 2021, guess what happened? Solana all-time high was $260. So which is why I keep telling you, because now most Solana tokens are in circulation, which is why Solana is trading between $100 billion market cap right now, but Solana is still trading less than $200. That is because back then less Solana was in circulation, but now Solana market cap is $100 billion, but Solana is trading between $195, as you guys can see on the screen, $196. But my strategy was, if Solana come back to $260, so I will be selling 50% of my Solana. Guess what? I pick up a lot of Solana when Solana was trading below $10. But this cycle, when Solana head up to $260, I have to sell 50%. So I don't have to follow what any influencer is saying that okay, maybe Solana will be heading up to $500. No, stick to your plan. So if you are buying Bitcoin when Bitcoin is trading $20,000, stick to your plan that if so Bitcoin head up to $100,000, at least take out 50%. So guys, well, let's continue. Let's move further. So I'm just trying to let you guys know how the plan works. So now, if you are buying Bitcoin today, Bitcoin is trading $118,000. So stick to your plan that if Bitcoin ever gets up to at least $500,000, we'll be taking at least 50% profit, so that we will be able to buy back when the market deep down. So let's move further. Let me show you guys more headlines that show that the market is looking bullish. And most of the altcoin, they will still be going higher. You guys need to see this. As you guys can see, guys, this is uh, this is the sector. This is the sector which is per article. What is it says here? So per article says that it's encouraging to see that more public companies now adopting Bitcoin and crypto as a treasury asset. So which is huge. So let me see. I will be playing the short clip for you guys to see. I hope you guys can hear. We hear it better. So let me play the short clip. Chairman Atkins, I wonder what you think about a lot of companies we've heard from recently. No voice. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Guys. Hope you guys can hear it. So, guys, said no voice. I always have voice here. I don't know. Voice. So what? So guys, he said. So you guys can't hear it. Okay, maybe it's low volume. I will try my best. Maybe next time, no voice. Okay. So guys, I will try maybe next time at least to make sure that to get this voice to regulate this voice issue. So what Sec Chair was saying is that what he was saying is that it's so encouraging that Bitcoin is already classified as non-security. So Bitcoin is an asset, which this is what he was saying, that a Bitcoin is an asset. It's already classified as a non-security. Yeah, we can't hear. Oh, so sorry for that, for guys. So Sector is saying that so Bitcoin is so encouraging, seeing that more public companies adopting Bitcoin and crypto as an asset. So which is amazing. So it's good for the crypto space. So because this is sector, not like the previous sector, which is Gary Gensler, which I think it was against Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, which take us here? As I was saying just now, not just they are not just the Wall Street are not just buying Bitcoin, but they are buying Ethereum as well. So public trade BTCS Inc. just acquire another 22,935 Ethereum. Worth how much? $86.6 million. So they keep buying Ethereum as well, which is why Ethereum keep holding strong, as you guys can see. So Ethereum holding strong. Ethereum even head up above $3,800 today. So Solana is killing it for the day as well. You guys can see. So it's killing it. So holding strong, popping hard as well. So which is why I keep telling you guys. So don't sleep on the crypto space. Make sure you keep a DCA dollar cost average, which is why Ethereum, as you guys can see here, this is Ethereum. So if you guys can, yeah. So Ethereum is now topping ranking as one of the 28 in global assets. So value with about $460 billion. So just surpass Vanguard was again. So guys, keep DCA Okay, drop your question on the chat tracker. I saw the question, so I will be coming back to the question. So we'll be doing Q&A shortly. So just let's just go through those headlines. So we'll be doing Q&A. So we'll be discussing all those questions. So drop your question on the chat. So guys, as you guys can see here, this is Ethereum. Ethereum now racking 28 as in the global asset market value with about 460 billion dollars. So which is huge. So as you guys can see it here. So what 64? So 164 billion. No, Ethereum is racking 160 billion. So this is no mobile, which is racking with about 64 billion. So Ethereum just surpassed Vanguard, as you guys can see, which is huge as well. I keep showing you guys those data for you guys to know what is happening in the crypto space. Tracker, you're asking, so when do I think is the best time to DCA? So you guys should wait to shortly we will do Q&A. What we should be doing when I will be discussing that with you guys. Oh my God. So guys, my camera just turned off. So let me bring it back. I'm here with you guys in seconds. So let me turn on the camera. Is here to stay. So Ether machine to be launching at least 1.5 billion institutional Ethereum yield funds. So guys, this is huge as well. So Ether machine, his plan is to make sure that to launch one of the largest on-chain position as of the public entity to generate Ethereum dominating return through staking and DeFi participation. So they will be spending about 1.5 billion at least to launch the institutional yield fund. So which is huge for Ethereum as well. You guys can see a lot of things keep going on with Ethereum. So don't sleep on Ethereum as well. A lot of things keep going on the Ethereum blockchain as well. So Ethereum, a lot of things keep going on. As followed by Solana as well. So which I will be showing you guys that I was telling you guys just now. Solana just surpassed with about $100 billion market cap, which is huge as well. So guys, getting here, as you guys can see, Coinbase, Coinbase just won that about 3.4 billion of Ethereum may just get lost. So, but this has not been confirmed as lost yet. That is because the owner of this wallet address just lost the private keys. So they may, which is about forgotten by Genesis wallet. So it may not, if this happen to be that they did not get this private key, that means the wallet has been it's gone forever. Once the private key get lost, and this Ethereum will be coming back again, which is about $3.4 billion. It won't be coming back again. So this is huge. So which is why try to make sure you always keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe. As I always say, it's one of the way to accumulate wealth. So buying and keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe using DCA. But when you lost your private key, that means so that's because when you are holding your Bitcoin in decentralized wallets like Phantom, Trust Wallet, Ledger, or Ledger, or MetaMask, all those wallets. So which is decentralized wallet, you control your private keys, and once you lost your private key, that means you lost access to that wallet. Always try to make sure that you keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe. So this is what is happening here. So this person just forget about a Genesis wallet. They just forget about $3.4 billion worth of Ethereum, the private key, so which is nowhere to be found. But hopefully this person, the owner, will be able to find the private keys. So which take us here, Solana. As you guys can see here, Solana just smashed 100 billion market cap. So as price high about a $200 breakout. Most of you guys who were asking me a few months ago, just about a month ago, that Solana ever come back to will Solana ever come back to $200? You guys can see a day like today, Solana is almost smashing through $200 once again. So it's back up above $190, which is huge. So, you guys can see, I keep telling you guys, this year and hold for a long term is one of the best way to accumulate wealth, and which is what I've been doing over the past few months. So, using this year, buy when the market is down, and take profit when the market is up. So, and hold for a long term is remain one of the best strategy to achieve a financial freedom. And most of you guys, I know most of you guys who have been in crypto for a while totally understand that. That is what Michael Saylor, the CEO of strategy, has been doing as well, using DCA, dollar cost average. So guys, which take us here, as you guys here can see here, this is Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. He said bubbles are about to start. He said busting, as you guys can see here, started busting. Robert Kiyosaki predict a crash across all markets. So, and he has been, one of the biggest investor in the Wall Street. So, have been investing for a long time. So, Robert Kiyosaki is predicting crash. So, what did he say? You guys can see here. This is the tweet from Robert Kiyosaki. As you guys can see here, he said bubbles are about to start busting. When bubbles burst, us are gold, silver, and Bitcoin will burst too. So he said good news. This is the good news. What is the good news? The good news is that if price of gold and silver and Bitcoin crash, I will be buying. He said, take care. So he will be buying more Bitcoin. He will be buying more crypto. So once the market crash, which is for sure, so which is what I've been saying over the past few months. And Robert Kiyosaki as well, he has been advocating for more Bitcoin, that Bitcoin will be profitable. So over the past few years, he has been investing in gold and silver. He is one of the biggest believer in gold and silver, but now he's now advocating for Bitcoin as well. That is because he believes Bitcoin is here to stay. So Bitcoin still become one of the mainstream assets. I show you guys just now. This is the SEC chair. You guys all know that a few years ago, Gary Gensler was against Bitcoin, but this is SEC chair. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. SEC chair per article says that it is encouraging to see public companies adopting Bitcoin and crypto as treasury reserve assets. So, which is huge as well. So, I have to show you guys those data for you guys to know that, for sure, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. And one of the things is to make sure you keep this year, you have a side hustle this year when the market is down, and take profit when the market is up. As for those of you guys who are asking, what is the best time to this year, which we will be just doing Q&A shortly. So let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Guys, keep sharing this stream. Share the stream with your friends and family so we can discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. So guys, Ethereum as well. So as you guys can see here, a fresh wallet just withdraw about 8,000 $357 Ethereum, worth about $31.5 million from Binance. So what does this mean is that this address is new wallet address, at least is withdrawing more Ethereum from exchange to decentralized exchange, from centralized exchange to decentralized exchange. So that means he's not selling anytime soon. So when you are seeing a large amount of Ethereum or other cryptocurrency withdrawing from a centralized exchange to decentralized exchange, that means they are not willing to sell anytime soon, which is huge as well. So, which I think is huge as well. So, the big boys are not ready to sell anytime soon. So, people who are scared in the crypto space are people who have not been in the crypto for a long time, who are just coming to the market right now, who don't understand how the market works. Those are people who are scared. So, guys, if you are watching from other platform, like you are watching me from Twitch, you are watching from Kick, so also make sure you are following me from the YouTube channel. Every single day I do live stream where we discuss about Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, you guys need to see this as well. This is the President Trump also advocating for Bitcoin. So what is President Trump saying here is that President Trump says that Bitcoin so is one of the assets to solve this financial situation. So this is President Trump. Let me show you guys shortly. So because you guys said that you guys are not hearing the volume, but at least I need to let you guys know that this is President Trump. What Trump is saying that the financial system have been suffering for a long time, and one of the way to solve this issue is to adopt a Bitcoin as well. And a Bitcoin, he think a Bitcoin will solve the financial situation as well. So those are more people adopting Bitcoin, more people embracing Bitcoin, more countries embracing Bitcoin. Pakistan trying to create their own strategic reserve. I keep showing you guys those data for you guys to know that for sure Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay, and we still have a long way to go. We are just getting starting, so Bitcoin is here to stay. So let's quickly look at the market performance. So now everything is slightly the, but you guys can see SRP is hitting all-time high once again. So those crypto projects, they're still doing great, like SRP hitting all-time high. So which is huge as well. Yeah, guys, I see the chat booming. You guys are amazing. So let's do Q&A. We'll be doing Q&A. You guys can see Ethereum in the past 7 days, Ethereum is up more than 24%. So, imagine if you have invested in Ethereum just in the past 4 days, it's up more than 24%. Followed by SRP, 20%, more than 20%. SRP is now trading between $3.16. It's kicking all-time high once again, which is huge. Let's quickly see. SRP is kicking all-time high once again. Okay, let me look at the Sarupi looking bullish as well. I was looking at the chart a few hours ago. Sarupi looking bullish. Sarupi still looking strong. And followed by Solana. Solana is up huge. Even in the past 24 hours, Solana is up more than 7% in the past 24 hours, which is why Solana is above $195 once again, as you guys can see. So $200 next, as you guys can see. And SRP is ready to smash a new all-time high once again. Dogecoin has been doing well over the past few days as well. Doge is kicking $130 once again. Sorry, 30 cents once again. Let's see, maybe Dogecoin will be having a new all-time high this cycle. So Dogecoin is looking bullish once again. ADA, the past 7 days, ADA is still up more than 20%. Most of the altcoins are up double digits in the past 7 days. Followed by, as you guys can see here, Sui. Sui is slightly is performing less in the past few days, but they just still up with about a 2.3%. But Chainlink, so America based, you guys can see here America based coins, so you can see that Chainlink, SRP, those altcoins are looking bullish as well. Avalanche up 18%. Litecoin, most of the altcoins are looking good as well. This is one thing I always say: make sure you hold those protocols that have usage, like Ethereum, SRP, Sui, Solana. Solana, one of my favorite altcoins. Even if BNB is kicking off to about $800 once again. I remember 2022 when 2021 BNB all time high was about $560 back then. So BNB. One thing is that even if the market deep down, it won't deep down so much like other altcoins as well. It usually hold strong. That is because they usually burn a lot of the coin. So let's quickly see this here. Let's look at why the chart looking crazy again. So guys, let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A, question and answer. Let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. Wanted to refresh the. Okay, good. As you guys can see here. So let's do Q&A. Bitcoin still holding strong, above $117,000. But just that if I have to refresh it because you guys can see Because on the screen, Bitcoin is trading between $117,869, where on here I'm having about $170,300, which show that for sure the market is way more higher than what is showing on CMC, coin market cap. Let me try and refresh here. Okay, trading volume, trading view. Okay. So guys, drop your question on the chat. So let's do Q&A. Let's discuss. So let me see the questions, man. Guys, share this stream with your friends and family. So let them know we are here. And you guys all know, sharing the stream alone give you an opportunity. Winning Bitcoin and cryptocurrency from me. So that's because I believe in the crypto space. We are family. And, we have to go on this journey together for us to achieve a financial freedom together. So when Bitcoin will be trading $1 million in 2030, 2031, which is next cycle, for sure we will all be in profit. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do Q&A. Brody, I'm good. How are you all doing? Treka, Reben, Sadiq, Naomi, Stefan. I see all the greetings, man. Zaza, Reset. Thank you, Chris Taber. How are you all doing? So, guys, Bitcoin looking bullish. Most of those altcoin, Ethereum, SRP, suing. So those altcoin looking bullish as well. As you guys can see, a day like today, Solana is up huge, 7%. By the past few days, I've been saying it that, don't sleep on So Solana is just consolidating. But you guys can see Solana is up huge as well a day like today. Because a lot of activities going on in Solana. The 99% of the meme coin right now, they are be trading on the Solana blockchain, Solana chain. NFTs as well. The way transfer is real. I love that. I love that. Rick Ricardo, I love that. Most people will miss it. Yeah. So if you don't this year enough, so if you don't this year enough, you will FOMO into the market. When the market is up, that is when you will now FOMO into the market for sure. So one thing I always say, don't FOMO. You don't have to FOMO into the market. So don't dive into the market when the market is already popping so hard. No, take profit and wait. When the market is down, you'll be able to buy back. A time will come when nobody don't want to buy when the market deep down. Will Bitcoin ever dip below $100,000 again? Yes. So I'm not bearish. I don't want you guys to be scared. Don't be scared. Each time the market deep down, I always tell you guys, each time the market deep down, take it as an opportunity to accumulate more. So why will you be scared that a Bitcoin deep down? Each time the market dip down, you have to take it as an opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you, Abibola. Thank you all. First to see all the greetings. You guys know I can't pop all of them out, but up. But let's do the Q&A. The tariff war is still going on because here in Europe, I thought they were done with the tariff war. No, the tariff war is still going on here in Europe because here in Europe, Europe still don't have a deal with the United States. And the United States is pushing about a 30%, at first, 30%, 30% tariff in Europe. But now it's like they are trying to get the deal done with about 20% tariff with Europe. So that is getting crazy. You all know, so things have to get more, which is why you need to put your money in Bitcoin and crypto. That is because, this tariff, what will it cost? It will cost more inflation, because there's no inflation in Bitcoin. They will keep printing more money, which will cost more inflation. Guys, I will look here. Yeah, I see the chat booming. So the questions. I'm starting from the top, responding to the questions. So, guys, one thing is that there's no tariff in Bitcoin. Bitcoin don't have inflation. That's why, because you can't print more Bitcoin. 21 million that will ever be in existence. Solana as well. Yeah, Solana still have a little bit of inflation, but not like Bitcoin, which don't even have inflation at all. So if you want to know the difference of Solana and Bitcoin, so last cycle when Solana market cap was 200 billion, so Solana was trading between $260. But today, Solana market cap is 200 billion, but Solana is trading less than $200. That is because more Solana are now in circulation. But tomorrow, if Bitcoin is having a $2 trillion and Bitcoin is trading 100,000, but next tomorrow, even if Bitcoin deep down, but once Bitcoin have a 2 trillion market cap, Bitcoin will still be trading $100,000. That is the difference between Bitcoin and other altcoins as well. So because Bitcoin is a store of value, so not like Solana, which Solana, Ethereum, which are protocols. So a lot they are tech, they are like tech, they are tech company. Solana is already big. Solana is already big. There was a time which Solana surpassed, surpassed USDT, surpassed USDC by market cap. So we are just getting started. So let's see in the next few days. Most of the altcoins are looking bullish, and Bitcoin already head up to where at a week ago. I was telling you guys that which was about 2 weeks ago. I said if Bitcoin head up to $120,000 and we have a pullback, more money will be flowing into Bitcoin. Because if you look at Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance is slightly down. So Bitcoin dominance have a pullback from Bitcoin dominance head up to 65%. And if you look at Bitcoin dominance right now, you will find out that Bitcoin dominance is slightly down. It's now down to like about 60%, which is why more money is flowing in Bitcoin dominance. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. This is Bitcoin dominance. You can see Bitcoin dominance is now less than 50 is now less than 60%. It's now trading. Bitcoin dominance is between 59.7%. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. This is Bitcoin dominance. You can see Bitcoin dominance is now holding between about 59.7%. When Ethereum dominance is between 11.6%. Altcoin dominance, you can see altcoin dominance is up with about 2.29%. When Ethereum dominance is up with about 2.4%, 2.46%. So, which is what I was saying that most of the altcoins are down because most of the money which is coming into the crypto space, they are flowing into Bitcoin. But now the money which are coming into the market, all of them are not going into Bitcoin. Some are going into Bitcoin, some are going into altcoin and Ethereum, which is what I was showing you guys on chain right now. That more people picking up Ethereum as well, more people picking up most of those altcoin, which is SRP, Solana, and I saw it on just now. David Portone is crying. He said he sold this. David Portone is crying. He said he sold this SROP when SROP was trading between $2.30, $2.40, and now SROP is up. He said he sold about $3 million worth of SROP. At least a day like today, he should have been holding another $1 million in profit. The remaining 1.2 million Bitcoin will be mine entire fully. For sure. So we only have a 1.2 million Bitcoin to be mined in the next few years. So that is because we already have about 19.8 million Bitcoin in circulation. So miners only have a 1.2 million to be mined in the next few years. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The dip is finally coming. Yeah, the dip will come for sure. Nothing go up forever. So Bitcoin dipped down to $16,000 2022. But I think Bitcoin should have dipped down to 16,000. That is because a lot of Bitcoin dipped down to $16,000. That is because a lot of things happened back then. That was when FTS collapsed. Celsius collapse. I lost about 5,000 for Celsius. When a Teller USDT and a Luna UST, Luna collapse. So back then, so a lot of things happen, all those all those companies run into bankruptcy. So Theta, FTS go into bankruptcy, Celsius go into bankruptcy, which was that 2022, and Terra UST go into bankruptcy as well. And we all know if when Terra UST go into bankruptcy, Luna also go into bankruptcy with it. That is because when they build Luna, they merge Luna with Luna UST. And when Luna UST collapse, Luna have to collapse with it, which sounds crazy. About $100 billion company run into bankruptcy in 48 hours. People lose millions, people lose billions, which is why I keep encouraging you guys every single day. And I'm here to guide you guys. Let's go together in the journey of crypto. So that's because I don't want you guys to make the same mistake which I made a few years ago, losing a huge amount of money, which is why I keep telling you guys taking profits at the right time. Try to make sure you have some cash on your side as well. Thank you, miraculous. It will happen. So it's just a matter of time for sure. Thank you, thank you. We are actually not late in the market for sure. We are actually not late in the market. So Bitcoin, we are still early. We are still early. I showed you guys yesterday that when data was predicting at least 2031 Bitcoin $1 million per coin. It's just how many years between 2031 is just about 5 years from now, guys, for sure. So that is because next cycle. So that it have to be next cycle. Bitcoin just need to have I have it here. This is a plan B. Let me see. Let me bring it out so you guys can see here. So Bitcoin just need to have a $20 trillion market cap for Bitcoin to be trading at least. For Bitcoin to be trading at least for how much? For Bitcoin to be trading $1 million per coin. This is it, yeah. This is a plan B. This is just the same thing which I always say every single day. Gold, as you guys can see it here, this is a gold. So gold market cap is about 20 trillion. Okay. So Plan B tweeted this about few hours ago. So which is what I always try to explain to you guys every single day. So gold market cap is 20 trillion. And Bitcoin market cap as of now is about 2 trillion, which is 2 point something trillion. So, because gold is holding about 22 trillion market cap. So, gold is worth about a 10s of Bitcoin. So, gold is worth about 10s of Bitcoin as of today. So, that is because Bitcoin market cap is about 2 trillion, when gold is about 20 trillion plus. So, as you guys can see, gold scarcity stock to flow is about the ratio is about 60%, is 60. When a Bitcoin scarcity ratio is about 120. So Bitcoin is a 2x scarcer than gold, which is for sure. So, Imam, as you guys can see here, Bitcoin is at least 10x order value more than gold. Bitcoin is 10x order value more than gold. So, Bitcoin just need to have the market cap of gold. Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin. So, it's just a matter of time. Bitcoin just need to have the market cap of $20 trillion. So, Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin. But Charisco, when do you know it is the right time to invest? And why do you talk about this year? This year is dollar cost average. Let's say you guys, if you are just coming into the crypto space right now, you have $100 to invest. You have $100 to invest. Don't go all in. So, like today, Bitcoin is trading between $118,000, and you are just coming into the market. You only have $100 to invest. You put your $100 today, and tomorrow Bitcoin deep down to $110,000. Then you already buy your Bitcoin at $118,000. Then you will be scared that you invested all your money at the top of the market. But guess what? If Bitcoin still deep down more, like Bitcoin deep down more to $80,000, so you will be scared. You have to sell your Bitcoin, and you will sell in loss, and then you say in loss. But people who understand the market, so they will keep buying back then. So, but using this year is like when you have only $100 to invest, you invest $10 this month. So next month you wait, you still invest $10. So next 3 months you wait, you have to invest $10. So even when the market is going down, when the market is going up, you keep spreading $10 or $5 across the market. So when you now finally understand how the market works, so you can go all in. But when you are just coming into the crypto space, so you decide to invest your $100 or your $1,000 or your $10, which you have in total in the market. Tomorrow, guess what? Because the market always have up and down, so you will get scared and sell in loss. So which is why this year work. So buy and hold for a long term when you are just coming into the market. Yeah, it's the secret. Just like market sell-off since 2020 strategy keep DCA. I using to funds a lot when newly enter the market. Yeah, when you newly enter the market, so just like when you newly enter the market, when you see the market popping, you will think, oh, I have to buy before the market skyrocket. No, it's not usually like that. So you have to buy and hold for a long time. People who make money in crypto are not even traders. I showed you guys a few days ago when James Wine, one of the biggest crypto leverage trader, he said when he lost it all, it's on chain. It's not a joke. This is someone who hold a portfolio more than $125 million. The portfolio, he lost he lost $10 million, he lost $5 million, he lost $2 million. That is how he almost lost it all. He lost it all, but now he's starting from scratch again. So, which is why, people who use leverage to, even if me myself, I do use leverage trading. I showed you guys, even if hype liquidity. Few days ago, I have to I deposited, when I sit in front of laptop, I feel bored. So sometimes I deposit, $500, 100, $1,000 to play with leverage. But what thing I always say is that, trading, yeah, it's not bad trading. But when you are using leverage is borrowing against your money to trade. So, but use 1S, 2S, 3S leverage. But when you use 40S because you want to make huge amount of money, it's one of the way to easily get wrecked. So it's one of the way for you to easily lose your money. So that is because it's still one of the way for you to turn $1,000 to $20,000 in less than 24 hours. So the risk is high. So using leverage trading. So that is one thing you need to know. So when you are using high leverage, that means use the money which you are willing to lose. So if you are willing to lose that money, you want to use it to trade leverage, fine. But if you are not willing to lose it, you are just coming into the crypto space or you are trading with high leverage, you will lose it all. And tomorrow you will say Bitcoin and crypto is a scam, which is not true, but because you go into leverage or you are trading meme coin. If you are trading all in meme coin, you have to know that meme coin usually go up 1,000% a day. If you go into desk screener right now, you will find out that most of the Solana meme coin they are pumping 1,000%. Yeah, even if me I trade meme coin, but as of today, the meme coin, the market is already way too high. If I'm trading a meme coin today, that means I have a good information about that particular meme coin. I have to know who is launching it, so who it is. If it will dump, you understand. That is because today you can hold 1,000 address, and make sure that you spread those meme coin across. They can decide to dump at once, so they will dump on you. So you have to make sure that just like a few days ago, you guys was here when Pop Fund was launching their token. I said, yeah, this is a good buy. I added $1,200. In the next 3 days, I turned it to $1,800. So that is one of the way making at least about $400 to $500 in 3 days investment. That is investing. So if I did not take profit when the market was up, I would have that few thousands of dollars to be able to buy more of that token. So which is why taking profit is important as well. So guys, you guys are amazing, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are smart and intelligent. For sure, with Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Favor is killing me. He dragged the tears that year. One thing is that when you don't understand the crypto space, when the market is going down, some people will be looking into their portfolio 10,000 times a year. No, one time say 10 times in a year, 10 times a day. So some people will look their portfolio like, 5 times a day. No, once the market start dipping down, I don't even log into my portfolio because I totally understand that you have no usage. So I don't sell when the market is going down, sell when the market is going up. So I have to stick to my strategy, which is what thing I preach here every single day. Stick to your strategy. So when you are buying at this price, you said, "Oh, I'm buying at this price. So this is the price I will be selling." Just like I showed you guys all those NFTs. Let me log into this wallet. So I try my best to, every single day not to I don't have to be scared, guys. You don't have to be scared. The best strategy is DCA. You don't have to be scared. As you guys can see here, which is let me go into Jupiter trading. Let's look at the portfolio. You all know which you are using Phantom, you can even create about 1,000 address as well. As you guys are looking at this portfolio here, prove you are human. A second, let me verify the wallet. Successful. So I'm trying to, you can see it's showing a zero balance, but now boom. But as you guys can see here, the wallet address, if you go down here, personal, the wallet is holding about 860 something. But you can see that, I see make offer in Magic Eder, which is what about 140 something dollars. But what am I trying to say here is that, I keep telling you guys, even if the NFT space as well, DCA into NFTs, DCA into this name domain, you can see, I still have some offer on the main domain, the name domain names. So now they are still trading, low. Most of the NFTs are down. It's a good time to pick them up as well. So like, not just that. If you head over here, you guys can see Magic Eder. Let me pop it on. Let me see. So this is Magic Eder as well. This is Magic Eder. Most of those Solana NFTs, they are down as well, not just like a day like today. Bitcoin is still up huge, but most of the NFTs are still down. So if you are not buying Bitcoin right now, you have to DCA into this thing as well. You have to DCA into NFTs as well. You can see if you look at the 30 days performance. Let me see the 30 days performance. You guys will see most of the NFTs are down huge. So which is okay beer. Whoa, okay beer is up once again. 2 point. It's up 50%. You guys can see here, man. I was saying it, it was trading between 1.5 Solana, less than two Solana, but now it just added one. So let me look at my own holding, which is, let me look at my, so they are still, okay, beer is still the same NFT with beer drop, but it's different. It's big. You guys can see the top offer here just skyrockets as well. 6.6%. No, which is what I was showing you guys yesterday. So yesterday, the instant sell yesterday was about the floor price. You guys can see the floor price just dropped up. So I was picking them up a few days ago. You guys saw it when I was picking them up with about 0.5. So now the floor price is up with about 21%. Let me zoom. You guys can see. Yesterday, when I was showing you guys the difference between floor price yesterday or a day before yesterday, the difference between floor price and the Eastern sale, you guys can see now it just added more. Yeah, it just added more. The floor price is now between 8.38% now. It's just drop up. So that is how it is. And I don't be surprised someone can come now and whip out the first floor price, the second floor price, and the third floor price. Guess what? The fourth third price is between 10 Solana, 10.8 Solana, 11.8 Solana, 10 Solana. So that is how easy it is. So if someone whip out the first floor, the second floor, the third floor, the fourth, this is the third floor is the last floor now, the third floor. You can see that the third floor is between about 6.9 Solana, 10.2 Solana. So you will be surprised that this NFT will be selling between 10 Solana. So if you pick up this, pick up opportunity to pick up this NFT where they was trading between 1 Solana, you will be selling your own between level Solana in less than a week. So it's possible. So keep this CA, stick to your strategy, and keep accumulating. So guys, I will be seeing you on tomorrow from 6 p.m. Go Central European time. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. The future is bright. So for sure, we will all achieve a financial freedom together just by investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Share this stream with your friends and family. At the end of this month, in the next few weeks, next 2 weeks. So today is 21. So the next few weeks, I will be doing a giveaway to you guys who always tune in every single day, who always share the stream. So I will be reaching out to you guys. So guys, I will be seeing you all tomorrow. Always tune in from 6 p.m. going. Charisco is out.